This is the set from the sci-fi thriller Nope, which stars Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Stephen Young. To tell you more about it, here is Jordan Peele. Take a look at the monitors above your head.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jr. Over there, look into the winking room. Have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? But a little further down, you can see the brand new Summer Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable live show.